Stripes som Candy Place norr om George Watts i England.
In offshore or land-based pirate radio, go to the real people, the people that know what it's all about. Whether you need stickers, posters, badges, or other promotional material, or maybe tapes, be it studio or off the air, you'll find the best and widest selection at the Free Radio Campaign Sweden, box 4060, and the postal code being S89104 Ovik in Sweden. That address again, the Free Radio Campaign Sweden, box 4060, postal code S89104 Ovik in Sweden. Remember, go to the real people.
Oh, love the sounds of the drums. The drums belongs to City Boy. They look back to the summer of '63, the summer in the schoolyard.